Oregano. Oregano, commonly used in Mediterranean and Mexican cooking, is a popular herb possessing immune-boosting and antioxidant-rich properties. Oregano is not just an aromatic herb that enhances the flavor of many dishes, but it also provides a range of health advantages due to its immune-boosting characteristics and abundance of antioxidants. One of the key components of oregano is rosmarinic acid, which has been found to have antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Rosmarinic acid has been discovered to possess antimicrobial and antiviral properties. This compound helps fight bacterial and viral infections, making it an excellent herb to support immune function. Oregano is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a beneficial ingredient in many dishes. Additionally, it contains compounds such as thiamol and carvacrol, which are known for their antifungal qualities. Not only does oregano have immune-boosting properties, but it is also rich in antioxidants. Not only does it have immune-boosting properties, but it is also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for neutralizing dangerous free radicals and reducing the stress caused by oxidation in the body. Radicals are molecules that are not stable and can produce oxidative damage to cells, potentially leading to various chronic illnesses such as cancer, heart disease, and degenerative brain disorders. By consuming certain foods, you can increase your antioxidant intake and protect your cells from oxidative damage. Research has shown that oregano possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties as well. Research has shown that it has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key contributing factor to a wide range of illnesses, such as arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, and some types of cancer. By incorporating foods that are rich in anti-inflammatory properties into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote overall health. Moreover, oregano has been studied for its potential anti-cancer effects. Research has been conducted to explore the possibility of oregano having anti-cancer benefits. Studies have shown that certain extracts can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, which is a programmed cell death process essential for preventing the proliferation of cancer cells. More research is needed, but preliminary findings suggest that there may be promising anti-cancer properties. In addition to its health benefits, oregano is also a good source of essential nutrients. In addition to its health benefits, oregano is also a good source of essential nutrients. This vegetable is packed with essential nutrients. It boasts a high content of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, manganese, and calcium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and proper bodily functions. They play a crucial role in keeping us in good shape. Including herbs in your diet can help ensure you're getting a wide range of essential nutrients. There are various ways to incorporate oregano into your meals. There are various ways to add flavor to your meals. Herbs have been used for centuries for a variety of purposes. They can be consumed fresh, dried, or in essential oil form. For centuries, humans have used herbs for a range of purposes. They are eaten both fresh and dried. Fresh herbs can be added to salads, pasta sauces, and marinades. Dried oregano is often used as a seasoning in Mediterranean and Mexican cooking, such as over pizzas and roasted vegetables. Oregano essential oil can be diluted and used topically or added to recipes for enhanced flavor. When purchasing oregano, opt for organic and high-quality sources. When buying, go for organic and high-quality sources to ensure quality. It is important to ensure that the produce you consume is organic. This guarantees that you are receiving the full advantages and preventing potential exposure to pesticides or other hazardous substances. Fresh herbs should have vibrant green leaves with a strong aroma, while dried herbs should still retain their flavor and fragrance. While oregano is generally safe for consumption, it should be used in moderation. It is important to use moderation when consuming any food or herb. Consuming too much of certain ingredients may cause digestive issues or allergic reactions in some individuals. It is always wise to speak with a healthcare professional before making any dietary changes if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. In conclusion, oregano is not just a flavorful herb used in cooking, but it also offers numerous health benefits. In conclusion, oregano is not just a tasty ingredient used in cooking, but it also provides many health advantages. This food offers numerous health benefits. It can help to strengthen the immune system, provide an array of antioxidants, and reduce inflammation. All of these qualities make it a great addition to any diet. Oregano is a popular herb that can be used in a variety of dishes to enhance flavor and promote good health. Whether fresh, dried, or in essential oil form, it can add a unique taste to meals while also boosting overall well-being. Next time you are cooking, don't forget to sprinkle some herbs to reap its many benefits.